Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a mobile app for your online store. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to build a mobile app for your online store using Jotform, navigate to the top left side and click on the My Forms option. From there, choose the My Apps option to access the My Apps page, where you can see all the apps you have built previously. Next, click on the Create App button to begin creating a mobile app for your online store. This will present you with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Clone Existing App, and Build Store. For this tutorial, we will choose the Build Store option. Once you select Build Store, you will be directed to the editor, where you can start designing your store. You will notice that a product element is already added to your store. Double-click on the product template to open the right sidebar, where you can add the details of your product, such as name, price, description, and image. If you want to add additional products, simply click on the Add New Product option. This will create a new product template that you can double-click on and customize in the right sidebar. After adding products to your store, it's important to set up payment methods so that customers can make purchases. To do this, navigate to the top left side and click on the Add Form Element button. In the left sidebar that appears, click on the Payments section. Here you can choose from various payment methods like Square, PayPal, Authorize.net, and more. Once you have finished designing your mobile app, click on the Publish section to share it. You'll be taken to the Publish section, where you can copy the link to your app and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Alternatively, you can choose to open the app in a new tab by selecting the Open in New Tab option, allowing you to view it from the user's perspective. Furthermore, you can generate and download a QR code for your app. By sharing this QR code with others, they can scan it using their mobile devices, which will then install your app/form on their phones, providing easy access. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.